In this lesson, we're going to learn how to write a strong conclusion to a pourquoi story. This pourquoi is called Why the Owl Says Who by Willis D. Let's read it. Little Forest Owl was very sad. She used to live in a busy neighborhood. The robins had once lived next door, and the sparrows had once lived down the block. However, the snake family moved in, and the neighborhood got quiet. One by one, Owl's neighbors began disappearing. She wondered whether they had moved. Owl didn't talk, so she couldn't ask around the forest to find out what was going on. Owl began to feel very nervous. Late one night, she heard something slithering along the forest floor. Then came a soft tapping sound at her door. Now it's our turn to write a strong conclusion for this, explaining why the owl says who. Now, we know that Owl's wondering what happened to all of her friends and a snake just slithered by, so perhaps we could write the ending something like this. Let me make that a little bit bigger. Owl became so upset that she hiccuped, and a sound emerged from her mouth. And guess what that sound was? Whoo! And that is why the owl says who. Now this is a conclusion to the story. It tells us why the owl says who, and it follows the same details from the story, showing that she's upset because her friends are gone and there's a snake coming, and because she was upset she would hiccup and this sound could come out that says who.